Good morning, guys. It's me again, Tony, at your service. First of all, thank you very much for watching my two videos earlier. Then, if you find my video really not clear, I am sorry about that because it's really hard for me to do a video holding the camera alone, doing something. It's really hard, guys. But I think it's still good than nothing. And you are engineer, so try to understand it. Okay. Today I will make another video. The last video. It's all about on how to install the switches and the LCD in your car chassis. First of all, you must have two switches like this, similar switches that you have been used in the lab many times. Another one is the LCD or the liquid crystal display. There are two different types of LCD. The one similar like this, which has a 16 terminal, and then the other one, there is a converter. It converts the 16 terminal into 4 terminal. I know most all of you don't have experience to work with the LCD because as of now you haven't taken any experiment regarding the LCD to display any character. In LCD, I prefer to you to use this one with converter because what is the difference to this one? Okay, if you are using this one, you have to connect maybe I guess more than 10 terminal uh, to make it work. Not unlike this one, you need to connect only 4 terminal. One BCC, second one is the ground, third is the SCL, and the last one is SDA. Okay, so I prefer you to have this kind of LCD rather than this one. All the switches in the breadboard, so you have to place your hand here before you press it here, because if you did not place your hand here, there's no support, so the tendency you apply too much force on the breadboard, it will break the car chassis. So to avoid that, so better to put your hand here before you press the. So you have to install two switches. Okay, you have to connect the left corner to the ground, and then the middle one is connected to any digital output pin of the Mega, and then the last one or the right one, you have to connect to the BCC. Okay, do the connection on the next switches or the other switches, but make sure the middle one has different um, connection in Arduino Mega. Okay, because that will be your reference when you do the programming or you will do the testing. By the way, I wanna explain to you the purpose of these two switches. Okay, so in these switches, you have four possible combination. Okay, like for example now it's set to 00, so it will indicate the functionality of your car. Like for example in the program, if you set this one to 0, the functionality of your car in a Bluetooth mode, okay? And then if you change the setting, like for example 10, you declare in your program that the functionality will be on line following. And then like for example 11, you have to put 11, so the functionality of your cars will be on obstacle avoidance. So it's up to you guys on how you select, or how will you declare the functionality of your cars based on the different settings. After the switches has been installed in the breadboard, as well as you did the connection to the Arduino, now it's time to do the connection in the LCD. Okay, in the back of your LCD you will find the ground terminal, the VCC terminal sa NSDA and SCL. So you have to connect the ground to the ground of the breadboard, the VCC or the 5 volts, and then the SDA and SCL. The SDA, you can find it here in the Arduino, which is SDA is in pin 20, and then SCL is pin 21. Okay, after you install the LCD, the next step, we will test the LCD if it is working or not. So I have here the sample program to test the LCD if it is working or not. Okay, I have a simple program for you to test. Okay, but before you upload and download, before you upload and the program, you must have two library installed in your Arduino. Okay, first you should have a wire.h, and then the other one is liquid crystal i2c.h. These two library is really important to test the to display rather the whatever the characters that you want to display in the screen. Like for example, I did this one. I want to display the corona for the line 1, and then the other one for the line 2. Stay away. Okay, after you done uploading, then you will see that the same characters that I mentioned in the program, it will also display in the LCD. Okay, so what's the function of this LCD in your car? Okay, so like what I told you before, that you declare the program in your program that if you select this 0, the functionality of your car is in Bluetooth mode. So it's better to display that mode here as your reference. Okay, and then another one, like for example, you make this one is 11. Okay, and then you declare in the program that if you select the combination 11, or the mode or the operation of your car will be in obstacle avoidance. So it will display here the obstacle avoidance. Okay, this LCD is for your reference. Okay, so whatever the operation of your cars doing. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much again for watching the video. And if you have anything else, if you have a question, or you can, or if you have a, if there are portion that which is not clear to you, you can reach me in WhatsApp. Okay, okay, thank you very much, and that is for today. Thank you.